Welcome to Daily Routine Vocabulary and Sentences for Kids. I wake up early. I wake up early. The sun is rising. The sun is rising. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. The milk is cold. The milk is cold. I drink juice. I drink juice. I wear my clothes. I wear my clothes. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I go to school. I go to school. The bus is here. The bus is here. I sat with my friend. I sat with my friend. We talk a lot. We talk a lot. The bell is ring. The bell is ring. I go to class. I go to class. The teacher is kind. The teacher is kind. I read a book. I read a book. I do my homework. I do my homework. I draw a picture. I draw a picture. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. I ask questions. I ask questions. I go with my friend. I go with my friend. The playground is fun. The playground is fun. I read a story. I read a story. I read a book to children. I read a book to children. I go to home. I go to home. I see my mom. I see my mom. I hug father. I hug father. I eat snacks. I eat snacks. I drink water. I drink water.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment and share.